But I couldn't find out how to do this. That people had different kinds of ideas. I have a Toyota Tundra 2000. This is it. By the way, all of you with radiators in your cars, if you take and put screen in front of your radiator, you can wash that screen off and it'll save your radiator job or whatever so much more. As you can see that there, it's just a piece of a metal window screen. It's tied together there with little wires here and there, and it covers the transmission cooler, the air conditioning cooler, and the radiator. If you do that, you can just take a air blower and blow it off or wash it off. Now what we're going to do here, I had some trouble with my air conditioner, and if you look down there right by the dipstick on the transmission, you'll see there's a little hole coming out, and I have an extra wire run through that place there. Now if you come inside the car, and the glove box comes down by simply pushing in these things, and that hold on here, that clip on. Now this is a 2000 Tundra. I'm going to set this thing down here where hopefully you can see it. I'll flip it around a little bit. Maybe. Oh, it's doing other things now. Weird stuff. Maybe we'll have to start over again. Alright. What we want to do here, I've got everything out of the glove box. It's a mess. But no one told me how to do this. Now here is a slide. Right here, it has an arrow on it. You can see that. This thing slides back. Pick up on it, push on it, slide back. You can pull the whole thing out. Now there it is. Now you can get in. This is it, right here. It's got a little foam edge. Be very careful with the foam edge on that side and this side. Now you can take your air gun and blow it out this way. Vacuum it out and blow it out that way. Clean everything you want. Your air vent all over the place. Hopefully we're getting some of that. This is not very stable. I don't have anybody to help me here, so I'm doing this alone. So you can take your air blower and you can blow with your blow gun or your vacuum gun or whatever you want to do. Some vacuum cleaners have blowers on them. So anyway, you can do this and clean it all out. Then you just slide it back in that way and then slide it back that way. We'll show you how to slide it back and forth again. Hopefully it will pick up here, maybe. We're going to slide this little creature back in there. Now I already did clean it out before, and I got to thinking, this is not on YouTube, so we're going to put it on YouTube so people can do this. There we are. Back in place, got a little arrow looking up there. Right there, and this slides in like this. You just push it on it, and now it catches. When you want to open the box, you just pull down on it, pull down on the other side, and it comes down. So this is the trick right here. This is the trick. Hopefully you can see that. Right there's the little trick where you can get into that whole system. Right there. That little slide thing there in a 2000 Toyota Tundra. Go back over here. This thing was so full of stuff that I could not turn my little control arm there. I reached back in here, back up in there, got all that cleaned out, but it was full of trash, so I got all that out. All types of leaves and everything were in there, but now it isn't. I hope this has helped you. Remember again, there's the drain right there. Look on this side. This car has got 330 or 40,000 miles on it. I did have to put a transmission in it, but it was a tow truck for 200,000 miles in 2 years. So I blew it out down through here, blew out to the top, all the way down. Everything. So now you know how to do that. Easier. No one on YouTube had this, so now it's going to be on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.